Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add apps to CarPlay on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to add your apps to your CarPlay on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device, and now you have to simply scroll it below and you have to tap on general and then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version, and if there is any update available for you, simply update it. And after this, go back and now scroll it below and tap on CarPlay. So guys, here you will see the list of your available cars. So guys, here you can see this. Right now I am not near to my car, so guys, the list is not available right now. So guys, once you are here, you will see the customize option. So guys, you will have to simply tap on the car which is available, and then you have to tap on customize, and here you will see all of your available apps which you can add or remove with the plus or the minus button. So guys, here you can see this. If you tap on plus button, the app will be added to your CarPlay, and if you tap on this minus button, then the app will be removed from your CarPlay. So guys, this is the way to add or remove apps from your CarPlay on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.